Maybe you've had it before at your most recent potluck, but one of the recipes I love to bring is broccoli salad. But who would have known that by changing one ingredient, it is a game changer. Now, the broccoli salad that I bring is the one that gets finished first, and it's simply because of this ingredient, red grapes, in replacement of craisins. So come with me if you've never made broccoli salad before, and I'll take you through the steps and show you this one quick change to a recipe that nearly everybody has to make your recipe and your broccoli salad stand out from the rest. It's Keri here, and this is Cooking with Keri. Welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm so excited that you're here, and I hope you'll hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of the other videos when they come out. Each week, I use common kitchen and pantry ingredients and turn it into good food for you and your family to enjoy on a budget. We'll be creating a simple salad that's easy to make and tastes great. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so you'll get notified and won't miss any of the other videos when they come out. Welcome to Cooking with Keri. Today we're going to do a little bit different so that you can see what my hands are doing rather than seeing my face. So today we're going to make a broccoli salad. The ingredients that you're going to need for that is broccoli, bacon, we use fresh grapes and toasted almonds, and then we've got a salad dressing to go with it. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up this broccoli. What I'm going to do is take each head and do little tiny pieces like that so that they are bite-sized. No one wants to put a huge piece of broccoli into their mouth, so I'm cutting them into smaller bite-sized pieces. So our broccoli is now all chopped. Next is cutting up red grapes. So you take each one and cut them in half and add them to your salad. It is a little time consuming, but it definitely is worth it. Of broccoli to grapes ratio, and so what I do is I just start, after I've cut up some, I mix them in to see how they look, and honestly that's a pretty good ratio, almost a 2 to 1. So I might do a few more grapes, but that looks pretty good actually. So the Kirkland bacon is easy and convenient, and it tastes awesome in this recipe. So again, cover generously, and then we're going to mix that in as well. I've toasted some almonds and I'm going to add those as well. Now, how you toast almonds is you take them, you spread them out on a pan and broil them at the highest temperature, watching them very closely because nothing is worse than burnt almonds. Ingredient into this salad is a little bit of red onion. So I've just taken less than a half and then a quarter. So I'm going to use a half of onion here. Use my mandolin with my gloves so I don't hurt my fingers. There you go. Okay, and with the red onion added, the last thing to do to this salad is to add our salad dressing. And the salad dressing is made using 1 cup of mayo, then you're going to add half a cup of white sugar, like so, and the last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. that, and then mix those ingredients together. I'm going to pour that over the salad. The caution with this salad is to make sure that you don't add the salad dressing until about 15 to 30 minutes before you're eating it. It gives it a chance for it to set in and to soak, and then also make sure that the salad doesn't get soggy. So in the salad dressing goes, like so. And I'm going to just mix it up. This broccoli salad that we made today is going on the dinner table at my kids' request. So I hope you'd enjoy making it with me, and that you'll tune in for some of the other great recipes that I love to share with you. Go back in the past history and find some of the other videos that will create great recipes for you and your family to enjoy. I'm gonna steal a quick bite before I put this on the dinner table and let you take a peek at that awesome fork full of the deliciousness that comes with broccoli salad. Enjoy. And that is Cooking with Keri.